Good day. It is June 8th, 2018, and we thank you for joining us here on YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about Sentinel number 3. Sentinel number 3 is actually pretty simple. It is simply the McClellan Summation Index. If you want to know more about how the summation index is constructed, what it is, what it means, and so on, just Google it and you can read all about it. But in the meantime, Sentinel number 3 is the summation index, so that when that summation index is a positive number, the Sentinel number 3 is an uptrend. When the summation index produces a negative number, Sentinel number 3 is in downtrend. It's that simple. Here's a 6-month chart of the Standard & Poor's 500. Below that you can see a chart of the summation index. And again, if the summation index is producing a negative number, then Sentinel number 3 is in a downtrend. If the summation index is a positive number, then the Sentinel number 3 is in uptrend. So again, to review what we've done so far, Sentinel number 1 measures the McClellan oscillator 13 and 34-day moving averages. When the short-term 13-day is above the 34, the market is in an uptrend. If the 13-day moving average of McClellan is below the 34-day moving average, the Sentinel number 1 is in downtrend. It's that simple. Sentinel number 2 works in exactly the same way, only here we're using the NASDAQ McClellan Index. And again, if the 13-day average of that McClellan is above the 34, then Sentinel number 2 is in uptrend. If the 13-day average of the McClellan is below the 34, markets and Sentinel number 2 are in downtrend. In order to get a signal, all 7 of the Sentinels, 3 of which we've talked about so far, have to be in agreement. And we'll get to that after we go through all 7 individually. That's all you have to know for today about Sentinel number 3. If the summation is positive, Sentinel number 3 is an uptrend. If the summation is a negative number, Sentinel number 3 is in downtrend. If you want to go to 7sentinels.com and take a look around, you'll find a number of articles that should prove very interesting and useful, helpful to serious traders. You'll also see there in the middle of the top row a limited time trial. If you click on that, you can have all of the information that's on 7sentinels.com, all of the indicators, all of the time frames, all of the outlook, all of the trading signals in our current position, everything that is there on a trial basis for just $9.95 for 14 days. So we hope that you will join us there, and we thank you once again for joining us today. Thank you and good trading.